Look, I'm sure it's delicious. I just don't understand why we can't see Yoda now.
Patience! For the Jedi, it is time to eat as well. Eat! Eat! Up! Good food. Good.
How far away is Yoda? Will it take us long to get there?
Not far. Yoda, not far. Patience. Soon you will be with him.
For my second instructional cooking video, I'll be making Master Yoda's Rootleaf stew from this movie, Star Wars The Empire Strikes Back. Now to get started with the ingredients. Ooh, my eyes are burning from these onions. Whew, that's it for the onions. Now on to the carrots.
Go.
Man, these are harder than I thought. Now let's get to cutting the potatoes. Man, this is a lot of work. Alright, now let's get them in the crock pot too. This is always my least favorite part because it's always wet. Wet and slimy. Alright, we're done cutting our bantha meat, better known in this universe as boneless beef chuck. Now we gotta flour it. So it can brown nice and golden in our beef stew. Alright, now before we brown our meat a little bit, we have to put olive oil in the pan. Now we add our bantha meat.
What you're gonna say?
Alright, so we're going to lightly brown them, turning them as we go. Alright, now we're going to put in our vegetable broth from Kroger. Alright, now time for the Okay, now let's drop in a little bit of fresh garlic. Okay, meat's done. Let's put in the crock pot. That smells delicious. Alright, now for the finishing touches, some rosemary so you can keep a sharp Jedi mind. And some bay leaves from Dagobah to add some flavor. And now we wait for 6 hours. Alright, now we need to add a little bit of flour to make it thick. Alright, now let's give it a good mix. Dang, this thickened up really nicely. Alright, now let's get a little bowl so we can serve ourselves. Now let me give myself a serving so I can taste it and show you guys. Now time to get a spoon. Tastes like it's straight from Dagobah. Alright, that's the video. Thank you.